Right, we're heading out of Honda, 21st Motor in Swanley. I'm going to go up for a ride further up. I got my shirt open, or my jacket. I just want to wear my jacket because of padding. Yes, so the only bike I think I'm going to get, I mean I'm due to retire in 4 years. Well, I'll still be working, but at retirement age so I get my pension. And the only, I want to get an electric one, I just want to get the SRF. Not the SRS, the F. Yeah, but I mean, they was talking in 21st Motor there that they have them and they keep them for 6 months as a demo bike before they let them go as a used bike. And the one he just had, I mean, something like 17,999, and because they've been used as demo bikes, they go down to about 14,000. Which is where at my league. But that's what I want to talk to you all about. Is should I start a Patreon for my dream in 4 years' time? I think it's the only one of the only ways I'm gonna get something that is gonna see me through in retirement. And I've been riding for 42 years now. I just want to settle on a bike that I like the future of electric. I've lots of reviews on the bikes, etc. And we enjoy having a little scooter for the kids, you know, the electric, looks like a moped but it's all electric, that we use. I've done a few videos on it if you want to go look at them. But and just go out to 20 miles on it if you want to, so you can go to work on it, or you can, you know, my daughter gets to work on it, my son goes out on it for a ride, my other son's here now, so if he wants to go to Bromley or wherever, he'll just go out for a ride on it. And it just saves money on fares and everything. My daughter's been using quite a lot lately because she's a nurse in a care home and she doesn't want to use public transport, so she's safe. So that's what she's been doing, is using an electric bike for that. 6 miles there, 6 miles back. So yeah, I really like the future of electric, and that's what I want to go for. So should I start a Patreon page and see where that leads me? I've never done it before, I don't know what it entails. A lot of YouTubers use it to support their living on YouTube. Go out of the window that way, don't you? I'd like to use it as to achieve a goal in that respect, to achieve something that would be an impossible dream. So leave a comment, see what you think about that, whether or not I should start one. And we'll go from there, and I'll look into it and see. I put my visor down a bit, haven't I? Oops, I forgot there's two-way traffic here. Oh, what a gorgeous day. My missus said, if you're going out riding, make sure you take a break because it'll be hot. I said, well, I'll be moving, love. I ain't fussed, I'll be moving. My hands are, they're fine. And I got my coat half open, so I got the protection. And I'm fine, it's lovely. Vents are open on my helmet. I'm just relaxed. I'm blowing up like a balloon here with my jacket. being open, halfway down, not all the way down. So how is everybody? How are we all coping? I mean, I'm hoping that these videos will get watched throughout the world. You never know. But I just hope everybody's well. But look at the sky. See? I've a firm belief about these planes. You can have a go at me. You can say it in the comments if you want. I know it's job losses, lots and lots of job losses. But the weather around the world has increased better in respect of look at that view. Certain places where you wouldn't normally see. I mean, cars do a lot, yeah. That'll come in 30-40 years when the manufacturers themselves have all got to switch to electric vehicles. But the planes spewing out their stuff, that needs sorting out in respect of changing how they do what they do to the environment. Anyway, that's my little bit. I'm going to go down here. Goss Hill. I'm going to have a look anyway. Like these roads, you just got to be careful. Nobody's going to come up the way like a big lorry or something. Cars are alright. Wish people stop fly tipping everywhere. The problem throughout the world, isn't it? I'm going to go a right here. It will take me into the wilderness. That's alright, lad. Oh god, cow. Horses. Horses for courses. Don't go in the horse rubbish. Watch out for big holes. I'll turn that indicator off, haven't I? Want me to ride right here, will I? Where I'm going. Ooh, nice big house all by itself. Wonder if that's Farmer Giles' house. Just stones in the middle of the road. Oh, a field of corn. It's a big field and all. Corn, no, I don't think it's corn. What do you call it? Wheat, barley, something like that. I should brush up on my history, on my stuff. I just don't know, not me. I know a lot about, I did about a lot, but not a lot about a lot. A lot about one thing. Some water there. Oh shit. Now they went into the side of the road with the rubbishes where you can't stop. Come on, Michael, where are we going to be? You would think they would have to go right, wouldn't you? Oh, divot there. This must be Swan, yeah, top of Swanley village. Because there's a little trading estate on the right here we'd deliver to as well. If I remember rightly. And I've delivered in there. Yeah, in there. I've delivered. Oh no, it's this one, isn't it? Right to the back. I don't know what they do. Right, I think I'm going to love you and leave you. And pubs are open next month. I don't drink myself. I stopped drinking about 15 years ago. Because I was one of them, the amount of money I wasted when I was a kid. You know, 17, 18, 19, 20 years old. Going out, you used to get your pay packet and go booze it up. But I was always one, and I've always been the same way. If I've one or two, I want 10 pints, you know what I mean? So I decided I've got to stop. So I did. And yeah, I've been back ever since. It's been good. You've got to meet someone. Right, I'm going to love you and leave you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Please, oh yes, can't forget this. Everybody says it, and I don't know how to say it, but if you'd like to subscribe, then please do. I'd love you to have you on my journey. Like, comment, share, and yeah, thank you. See you later.